Fortinet FCP_FWF_AD 7.4 exam practice questions are available in the video for you to study. What is the most effective configuration to ensure stable and reliable wireless connectivity for remote users using FortiAPs? A. Deploy FortiAP in bridge mode and use local authentication. B. Deploy FortiAP in tunnel mode with split tunneling enabled. C. Use FortiAP in bridge mode with supported hardware. D. Use FortiAP in bridge mode with standalone local configuration. The answer is C. Using supported FortiAPs ensures compatibility and reliability. Bridge mode allows clients to be on the same local subnet as the FortiGate, which is ideal for performance and seamless connectivity in remote deployments. While other options may offer specific benefits, C provides the most reliable and standard configuration using officially supported components and centralized management. Bridge mode. Clients connect directly to the local network, low latency. Supported FortiAP ensures optimal performance and FortiOS feature support. Tunnel mode with split tunneling. Useful for remote VPN use cases but adds complexity. Standalone config. Reduces manageability, not ideal for reliability. Which Fortinet tool is primarily used for wireless planning and predictive site surveys before deploying access points? A. FortiPlanner. B. FortiPresence. C. FortiGate. D. FortiAP Cloud. The answer is A. FortiPlanner is a predictive wireless planning tool used to simulate wireless coverage and performance before deploying FortiAPs. It helps network engineers estimate signal strength, AP placement, and coverage, which is crucial for wireless design and deployment. FortiPlanner. Used for predictive wireless analytics and planning. FortiPresence. Focuses on location-based presence analytics, used after deployment. FortiGate. Is the security gateway and wireless controller but not a predictive planning tool. FortiAP Cloud. Used for managing FortiAPs via the cloud, not for predictive modeling. When deploying FortiPresence as an on-premises virtual machine, VM, which two server roles must be configured for proper operation. Choose two. A. Infrastructure server. B. Terminal server. C. Application server. D. Authentication server. The answer is A. C. FortiPresence on-premises VM requires two main components. Infrastructure server. Manages system-level services such as logging, data storage, and synchronization. Application server. Hosts the user interface and handles analytics, reporting, and location-based services. These two roles are essential for FortiPresence to process and visualize presence analytics collected from FortiAPs. Terminal server. Not related to FortiPresence. Authentication server. Is used for user identity validation, not part of FortiPresence core functions. Which FortiGate feature enables automatic suppression of detected rogue access points, APs? A. VLAN segmentation. B. WIDS profiles. C. SSID hiding. D. Advanced bridge mode options. The answer is B. WIDS, Wireless Intrusion Detection System, profiles are used to detect and take action against wireless threats like rogue APs. Within a WIDS profile, you can enable rogue AP detection and configure automatic suppression to prevent clients from connecting to unauthorized APs. VLAN segmentation is used for network segmentation, not threat suppression. SSID hiding prevents SSID from being broadcast but doesn't block rogue APs. Advanced bridge mode options control data flow in bridge mode, not threat detection. When diagnosing issues related to FortiGuard services on a FortiGate device, which factors should be evaluated? Select all that apply. A. DNS resolution for FortiGuard servers. B. Active FortiGuard subscription status. C. Firewall policies that might block FortiGuard traffic. D. Time synchronization with NTP servers. The answer is A, B, C, D. All listed factors are critical when troubleshooting FortiGuard connectivity and update issues. A DNS resolution is essential because FortiGuard servers are accessed via domain names. B. Active subscription ensures your device is authorized to download FortiGuard updates. C. Firewall rules may inadvertently block traffic to, from FortiGuard services. D. Time synchronization is needed for certificate validation and secure communication with FortiGuard servers. Which tool is most appropriate for diagnosing wireless performance issues by gathering real-time data on a FortiGate managed wireless network? A. FortiAP Cloud. B. RF Spectrum Analyzer. C. FortiPresence. D. FortiPlanner. The answer is B. An RF spectrum analyzer is used to inspect the radio frequency environment, identify interference sources, and analyze channel utilization, all of which are crucial when troubleshooting wireless performance problems. FortiAP Cloud. For remote AP management, not real-time RF analysis. FortiPresence. Used for presence analytics and location services. FortiPlanner. Helps with predictive wireless planning, not real-time troubleshooting. Which method allows you to view the upstream and downstream link rates of a wireless client on a FortiGate managed wireless network? A. Run CW_diag KSTA on the FortiAP CLI. B. Run CW_diag DSANTA on the FortiAP CLI. C. Use the Wi-Fi client monitor in the FortiGate GUI. D. Run diag wireless controller WLACD Santa on the FortiGate CLI. The answer is C. The Wi-Fi client monitor on the FortiGate GUI provides an easy way to view real-time client connection details, including upstream and downstream link rates. A and B. FortiAP CLI commands. These commands show detailed wireless diagnostics but are more complex and not typically used just for link rate monitoring. D. FortiGate CLI command provides deep debug info, but not as user-friendly for quick link rate checks. For straightforward visibility of client link speeds, the FortiGate GUI is the best tool. Which two statements accurately describe FortiAP profiles? Choose two. AAP profiles are specific to FortiAP models. B. A profile must be manually applied to each AP before FortiGate can manage it. C. An AP must be authorized before a profile can be applied. D. FortiAP profiles are assigned to FortiAP groups. The answer is AD. A. FortiAP profiles contain settings optimized for specific FortiAP models, ensuring compatibility and feature support. D. Profiles are typically applied to FortiAP groups, which simplifies management of multiple APs with similar configurations. B. Profiles are assigned to groups, not manually applied one by one to individual APs. C. Authorization of APs happens separately. Profiles can be assigned once APs are part of a group. What is a common reason a client device can connect to a 2.4 GHz SSID but struggles to connect to the same SSID broadcasting on 5 GHz? A. Poor AP placement affecting 5 GHz signals. B. Client device's radio does not support 5 GHz. C. DHCP server configuration issues. D. Encryption settings mismatch. The answer is B. Some client devices, especially older or lower-end models, only support 2.4 GHz wireless bands and lack hardware to connect to 5 GHz networks. While AP placement and encryption are important, the most direct cause for this problem is the client's hardware limitation regarding supported frequencies. A. While AP location can affect signal strength, it wouldn't typically cause a device to fail connection only on 5 GHz. C. DHCP issues affect IP addressing, not band-specific connectivity. D. Encryption mismatch would affect both bands if the same SSID config is used. When configuring a tunnel mode wireless network on a FortiGate wireless controller, which step is required before the wireless network becomes operational? A. Enable security fabric and HTTPS on the wireless network interface. B. Assign a Layer 3 IP address to the wireless network interface. C. Create a firewall policy allowing wireless network traffic to the Internet. D. Manually assign the new wireless network to a FortiAP profile. The answer is B. In tunnel mode, wireless client traffic is encapsulated and forwarded to the FortiGate, which routes traffic at Layer 3. Therefore, the wireless network interface on the FortiGate must have a Layer 3 IP address to route traffic properly. A. Security fabric and HTTPS are not mandatory for wireless operation. C. Firewall policies are required for traffic flow but come after the interface is configured. D. FortiAP profiles manage AP behavior but do not enable the wireless network interface functionality.